Chapter 17. Adverbs and degrees of comparison. Adverbs. Read the following passage. The annual function was enthusiastically organized by the staff and students of Mary Hart's public school. The principal cordially welcomed the parents and other guests. The children sang melodiously. They also danced gracefully while the audience smiled happily and cheered for them. Gunjan confidently presented a solo dance. After the program was over, the children assembled outside. Parents could be seen everywhere. They accompanied their children later and went homewards. The words in bold in the above passage tell us how an action was done, when was it done, or where was it done. In other words, they tell us more about verbs. Such words are called adverbs. Sometimes adverbs also tell us more about adjectives or modify other adverbs. An adverb is a word that tells us more about a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Example, the old lady walked slowly. The word slowly is an adverb and tells us more about the verb walked. Example, these flowers are really beautiful. The word really is the adverb here as it tells us more about the adjective beautiful. Example, the lady spoke very softly. The word softly is an adverb and explains how an action was done. The word very tells us more about the adverb softly. Position of adverbs. Adverbs must be placed next to the words required to be modified. Example, Neha dances gracefully. Sometimes adverbs are used before the verbs. Example, Neha always comes home from the school. Snigdha generally eats porridge every morning. Sometimes adverbs are used after the first part of the verb. Examples, they were hardly practicing the play. I was nearly tired by afternoon. If a sentence has both adverb of manner and adverb of time, then adverb of manner will come first in that particular sentence. Kind of adverbs. There are different kinds of adverbs. Relative, interrogative, adverbs, time, place, frequency, degree. Adverbs of manner tell us how the action takes place and answer the question how. Examples, the girl walked fast. The soldier fought bravely. In the above sentences, fast and bravely tell us the manner in which the girl walked and the soldier fought. Such words are called adverbs of manner. Many adverbs of manner are derived from adjectives and end in ly or illy. For words ending in e, we add ly or y after dropping e. Example, polite, adjective, politely, adverb, gentle, adjective, gently, adverb. For words ending in y, we add ily after dropping y. Example, noisy, adjective, noisily, adverb, heavy, adjective, heavily, adverb. For words ending in l, we add ly. Example, general, adjective, generally, adverb, casual, adjective, casually, adverb. These adverbs are usually placed after the direct object in a sentence if there is one. Otherwise, they are placed after the verb. Words concerned with character and intelligence, such as foolishly, intelligently, when placed before the verb, indicate that the action was foolish or intelligent. Adverbs of place tell us the place of action and answer the question where. Examples: Gagan has gone out. Flowers were blooming everywhere in the spring season. The adverbs out and everywhere indicate the place of action. They are adverbs of place. They are usually placed after the main verb or after the object. Examples: the students were working outside and trying to make the model of a volcano in the sand pit. Here, outside is the adverb of place. The little girl was led away by her mother. Here, away is the adverb of place. Adverbs of place ending in words or ways express movement in a particular direction, like backwards, northwards, downwards, inward, outward, westward, and sideways. Example: the plane plunged downwards after it developed a technical snag. Adverbs of time indicate the time of an action or sometimes the duration of an action and answer the question when. Examples: they returned yesterday. You must have gone for a walk early. They will reach later. Here the words yesterday, early, later are adverbs of time. They are placed either at the beginning or at the very end of a clause or a sentence. Adverbs of time are ago, today, yet, tomorrow, now, then, recently, afterwards, soon, till, nowadays, and late. Sometimes a group of words, phrases like at once, till now, by now also work as adverbs. These are adverb phrases of time. Adverbs of degree tell us the intensity of an action and modify an adjective, a verb, or another adverb. They are placed before the adjective or adverb and answer the question how much. Examples: she nearly fell from the cliff. All the players of the Manchester United were fully prepared to do their best in the upcoming football match. The words nearly, fully are adverbs of degree. They tell us more about the verbs fell and prepared. A few more examples are given here. Examples: the girl spoke quite well and won a prize. Vinitha almost finished the project on time. Some adverbs of degree are enough, hardly, nearly, only, quiet, extremely, entirely, fairly, very, and to. Adverbs of frequency indicate how often or how frequently an action takes place and answers the question how often. Examples: she seldom pays us a visit. Nalin often plays badminton with his grandfather. I always brush my teeth at night before I go to bed. They are usually placed before the main verb or after the helping verb. Example: Rita is frequently missing her classes. The helping verb here is, and the adverb is frequently. Interrogative adverbs are used for asking questions. Words such as when, how, where, why, how many, how much, how often, and how long are often used for asking questions. They ask questions about time, place, number, manner, quantity, and reason. Examples: how long did it rain here? Time. How does she go to school? Manner. How much does she have to walk to reach school? Degree. Where is your office? Place. Why are you so sad? Reason. How often do you visit the orphanage? Frequency. Interrogative adverbs are usually placed at the beginning of a sentence. Examples: where do you live? Place. How fast can you walk? Degree. Relative adverbs are when, where, and why. They modify a word and refer to a thing or person that the pronoun refers to. Example: I cannot recognize the shop where I came to get my mobile repaired. In this sentence, the word where refers to the shop and modifies it. I cannot remember the time when I took my medicine. Here, when refers to a particular time and tells us more about it. She reads whenever she has time. Here, whenever is the relative adverb. Degrees of comparison. Like adjectives, many adverbs can also be compared. Read the given examples. Kanak swam fast. Soma swam faster than Kanak. But Sarita swam the fastest among them all. In the above sentences, faster and fastest are the comparative and superlative degrees formed by adding er and est to the adverb fast. Adverbs ending in ly or double ly are changed to the comparative and superlative degrees by adding more and most. Examples: Monica sang melodiously. Neeta sang more melodiously than Monica. Swati sang most melodiously among all and won a prize. Read the examples given below. Sheena spoke confidently. Tahira spoke less confidently than Sheena. Rita spoke least confidently among them all. In the above sentences, confidently, less confidently, and least confidently are adverbs of comparison. Here is a list of such adverbs in the three forms: positive, comparative, superlative. A. Loud, louder, loudest. Soon, sooner, soonest. Fast, faster, fastest. Early, earlier, earliest. Easy, easier, easiest. B. Beautifully, more beautifully, most beautifully. Sincerely, more sincerely, most sincerely. Confidently, more confidently, most confidently. Sometimes we do not use more or most for adverbs, but use different words to show the comparative and superlative degrees, such as given here: positive, comparative, superlative. Badly, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Good, better, best.